Alright guys, at this time I know you are excited. I am excited. I'm making this video at the same time I did the intro to our YouTube channel video. It's the best way to get this way segued into what I'm trying to do here. I just coated my car with Modesta and I'm super excited. I'm going to do a first wash on it. It got rained on a couple times, which is quite alright if your new coating gets rained on. What I want to do is just make sure that at this time, which is week 2, that I wash it thoroughly, do the M4 sprays and the M2 sprays. That way this coating performs great for the long term. So what I'm going to do is show you how I'm going to maintain my Modesta coating, so I can show you tips and tricks on how you can maintain your coating. I will be doing a full hand wash to it, and then I'll be showing you the M4 spray, which is called M4 Smoke, which is the wet application. Then I'll be showing you the dry application, which is M2. So this video is for Modesta maintenance and showing you how to properly maintain your Modesta coating so it performs the best way. Alright guys, real quick, we got an SD quick tip for a new coating. Alright, my car was just coated in BC-08, so from that time it's been about 4 weeks. I've been keeping it clean, washing it daily, and using these sprays a lot. So M4 and M2 are very important when your coating is brand new. So spray them as much as you possibly can after every single wash for at least the first 4 to 6 months. I think is the best way to keep your car working, keep your coating working the best it possibly can. So, that being said, use your sprays and enjoy your new coating. And again, clean cars drive way better.